Travel back to 300 BC and cook like Alexander the Great. From hearty civilian feasts to quick battlefield snacks, these recipes are easy and epic. Let's get cooking. We're exploring 5 easy, Alexander the Great-inspired meals tailored for a modern U.S. kitchen, reflecting the diet of ancient Macedonia and the Hellenistic world from 356 to 323 BC. These recipes include 3 civilian meals, 1 battlefield meal, and 1 dessert, all using ingredients available in Alexander's time, adapted to affordable, accessible staples. Our civilian meals reflect the more elaborate dishes enjoyed in Macedonian cities, royal courts, or camps during peacetime, using fresh or preserved ingredients like meats, vegetables, and herbs. First up is baked fish with olive and herb dressing, a simple dish inspired by coastal Macedonian meals where seafood was abundant. For this, you'll need 2 fish fillets, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of chopped pitted olives, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 lemon juice, and salt and pepper. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Season the fish, then mix olive oil, olives, oregano, and lemon juice to spoon over it. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the fish flakes easily. Fish from the Aegean was frequent in coastal Macedonian civilian life, baked simply with olives and herbs, reflecting balanced, flavorful home cooking. Next, we have roasted chicken with garlic and herbs, a flavorful dish reflecting Macedonian feasts where poultry was common. You'll need 2 chicken thighs or drumsticks, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano or thyme, 1 lemon juice, and salt and pepper. Rub the chicken with olive oil, garlic, herbs, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Roast it on a baking tray at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes until golden and cooked through. Chicken was common in ancient Macedonia, roasted with garlic and herbs, mirroring feasts described in Hellenistic texts where olive oil and local seasonings enhanced everyday proteins. Our third civilian meal is a hearty chickpea and vegetable stew, typical of Macedonian diets in cities or camps. Gather 1 cup of drained canned chickpeas, 1 chopped zucchini, 1 chopped onion, 1 diced tomato, 3 cups of water or broth, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of dried dill or parsley, plus salt and pepper. Sauté the onion in olive oil, then add chickpeas, zucchini, tomato, and water. Simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until tender, then stir in dill and season. Chickpeas were a staple legume in Greek diets, stewed with vegetables and olive oil, providing sustenance without meat for civilian households. Now, let's move to battlefield meals, dishes that were portable, durable, or quick to prepare for Alexander's soldiers on the march. Our battlefield recipe is barley flatbread with onion spread, easy to prepare in a camp setting. For the flatbread, you'll need 1 cup of barley flour, half a cup of water, and a pinch of salt. For the spread, 1 finely chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Mix flour, water, and salt for the dough, roll into thin flatbreads, and cook on a skillet for 2 to 3 minutes per side. Sauté the onion with thyme and olive oil until caramelized for the spread. Barley was the primary campaign grain, baked into flatbreads, with onions adding flavor and vitamins, replicating field prep meals that sustain troops without fires. Finally, for dessert, we have a sweet dish reflecting the simple, fruit and honey-based treats enjoyed by Macedonian civilians and elites. Our dessert is honey-glazed roasted apples, a luxurious yet simple treat for Macedonian households. You'll need 2 cored and halved apples, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of chopped almonds. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place apple halves in a baking dish, drizzle with honey, and sprinkle with cinnamon and almonds if desired. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until soft. Apples were grown in Macedonia, roasted with honey for a simple elite dessert, blending Greek simplicity with acquired Persian fruit preparations from Alexander's conquests. These recipes require only basic tools like a pot, skillet, oven, and baking dish. For battlefield options, just a bowl suffices. You can substitute rice or oats for barley, canned beans for chickpeas, or any white fish for cod. These dishes use ingredients from Alexander's era, reflecting Macedonian civilian and military diets, inspired by historical texts and archaeological evidence of ancient Greece. From Macedonian feasts to battlefield bites, you're now ready to eat like Alexander. Share your favorite dish in the comments and subscribe for more epic recipes. Until next time, keep cooking like a legend.